last piece.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yeah. I like cold pizza.
I don't
Gross.
know.
Well, I like cold pizza.
Well, I don't.
Well, that's good for you.
Well, it's just too damn bad. What?
There's no more.
That sucks.
You can't have it.
Well,
I don't eat it all.
no, I didn't.
Okay, so for real, how was school?
It was kind of gay.
Why was it so gay?
Because there was these two dudes fucking in the bathroom.
Hello? Hello? It was blocked.
I'm playing trick.
Yeah. And don't you just hate that? It makes you wonder.
Wonder who it was?
Yeah. Probably one of my stupid crazy ex-boyfriends.
And you can't call it back because it's private.
So anyways, what was happening?
There was these two dudes fucking in the bathroom when I walked in. They were in the girls' bathroom for some reason. I guess they thought they wouldn't get caught. Oh my god.
Hello? Hello?
Look out the window, quick. Was anything out there?
What the hell's going on, you guys? What was that?
No.
Who was that? We better lock the doors. I don't know.
Anybody out there?
No.
That's weird.
That's really weird. Did you guys hear that?
Yeah, I hear something weird outside.
What's that noise?
I don't know. Well, I think we should open and see.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
We gotta
He's
find
in here
him.
somewhere. He really is.
He's gonna kill us.
We're all gonna fucking die. Oh my god, I'm so scared. We should try to go find
Should
him.
we split up? No, because every time somebody splits up, they all die.
Yeah, we better
so
go together.
We should better go. Yeah. All right. Well, let's go. Let's go now.
All right. Okay, let's see if there's somebody in here. Oh god. No, I don't think so. Maybe they're in the bathroom. No, nothing. We'll see what.
Just check the other bathroom.
I'm very slow. I am so scared. He's not in this room. Is he? No, the bed's too low. He can't fit under there. Alright, let's see if he's in here.
Where is everybody? Oh my god. Oh my god!
Where the hell did Cheryl go?
Probably hiding.
I don't know. I don't think she's moving. Let me check.
Dead?
Okay, the door's still open.
Is he gone or is he still in the house?
It looks like he left. I'm gonna lock it. I'm gonna go down here and look.
I'll go in